Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to remove the door panel sweep. Basically not a full door panel, just the sweep. If you need access right here, if you're tinting the window, cleaning, removing film, anything. So this is a Honda Accord 2024. It's really easy. We don't need any special tools, just your hands. So first we're going to remove this plastic by grabbing it right here and just pulling it out. So you see, it's out. Now you're gonna put your fingers here between this plastic and rubber and just push it towards you. I mean, not push it, but let me use it. Okay, so you see, it gives you enough space to remove the door sweep. There's no bolts, nothing. You see, it's just clips. Now we're gonna just pull this one out and turn it this way, like this, basically to the back and up. And it should come out pretty easy. It's really hard with one hand, but you should do it with two hands basically. And that's it. Yeah, just swap, like turn it this way, twist it, and pull it out. So you can see I did it with one hand. So yeah, now you have access to the back. That's it.